Today our Somfy installer is staying at the office. He has set aside this time for a productive work session on his computer. Suddenly, he gets a call from Lena Fisher, a loyal customer. Her rolling shutter seems not to be working and she would like a remote control to activate her shutters. No more need to take the road. Thanks to Serv-e-Go's maintenance tools, our installer can take care of everything right from his PC. He brings up Lena's customer file. Indeed, an error message is displayed. A short diagnostics phase, everything else is okay. The operation begins with a service request sent by email. Lena gives her approval and hands control over to the installer, who has a few hours to service the shutters. There you go, everything is fixed. He remembers to pair the remote control right from his office, and now just has to send her the control by mail. That's it, all finished. As a final detail, a personalized email is automatically sent to summarize the service call. Ms. Fisher is delighted. No more need to take the road. With Serv-e-Go, maintenance is performed remotely. A great time saver for our installer and the best way to boost customer satisfaction.